2138 Canary Court, unit number 1, 2-bedroom, 1-bath, 810 square feet. Asking for 139,500. First thing I notice is the picture is old because the tree changed colored already, and it's only been on the market for 1 day. So let's get in. The condition is fairly good. It's the kitchen, microwave, stove, refrigerator, dishwasher, okay, and kind of has a pantry here. Condition so far so good. I will turn on the light. Look. Light. I don't have no light there. Okay. Can't find the light switch. Okay. Laminate floor. First bedroom. Okay. Closet. The bath. Okay. The fan is a little noisy, but you know, the bathtub needs caulking, but you know, overall it's in fairly good shape. And one of the door is in the cabinet, and I think they were trying to put a washer here, and they took out the 220 volt, so the dryer used to be here too.